Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan. This video will show you how to cleanse your energy signature of your digestive tract. This should help with any acid reflux you have or digestive issues. Just repeat after me as you spin a necklace, a pendulum, or your hand counterclockwise. I now release via creating a vortex with this tool all my undigestible emotions, fears, energies, entities, non-beneficial bacteria are scrambled and neutralized and cannot reproduce in my digestive tract now. And I feel safe to allow into my body the food and the liquid that nourishes me. And I feel safe to allow my digestive tract to heal as I have cleansed the entire energy signature thereof. So be it. Use as often as needed. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.